Hi, Priyanti.
Were you all
I
I'm good. How are you?
good? You're back from travel. He was traveling, right? Shivesh was traveling, right?
uh,
I was traveling.
Oh, nice. Are you back?
Yeah, I'm back.
Okay, nice. Shall we go ahead, guys? I'll directly go to the problems. Can we go ahead? Hey, were you able to work out those problems that I had put up, or they were too much?
Wait, which one's Priyanti?
The aim state problems.
Oh, no, I wasn't able to work it out.
Okay, but that was
Sorry.
no problem. We'll do some of those. Okay, I want to continue in that similar triangle. See, still we are in geometry, so I'll continue with that similar triangles. I'll do more of the angles, and then I wanted to do 3D geometry as well. So similar triangles are a little hard. Yeah, that's the plan for today. I really wanted to do some number theory as well in between. Let me see and go back to probability for the next 2 weeks as well. But we have more on geometry to cover as well. We'll see. Shall we go ahead? Let's see. Shivesh, come. We'll go ahead. Okay. 1 second. Give me just. Okay. I don't know what's going on with my machine. Okay. Hi, Shivesh. Were you able to go through that, Shivesh? Did you go over those problems in the packets?
which problems?
The problems there in the Google Classroom.
Oh,
No, I'm just asking. I don't want to repeat the same thing. So I'm asking, did you do them and see or no or what? You didn't have time or what? You don't know what I'm asking about? No, I'm asking whether you were able to do the problems in the Google Classroom. That's all.
but which ones? I'm not sure which ones you're talking.
Okay, which ones? Okay. I'm talking about these.
Oh, yeah, I did that.
You did that. Week 4, you did that.
Uh-huh.
You did
Wait,
all of this.
yeah, I think I did those ones.
Angle chasing, you did. This one, the trapezoidal one, you did.
Uh, yeah.
Shivesh, have you done it?
Hmm?
Hmm?
Yeah,
Okay.
wait.
Miss Priya, I did section one with my dad.
Section 1. Okay. Okay. That's what I wanted to know. Shivesh, what did you do?
Uh,
Section 1. Okay. Angle chasing and
wait.
circle geometry. Okay. Nice. Okay. Triangles area is quite important. Length perimeter will also be should also be covered, and special right triangle is important, but similar triangles is more important. Can we go ahead? Yeah, Shivesh, what did you want to say? I'm waiting for you to say something. Tell me.
Uh, I think I might have a different one because I clicked on a week 4, but it showed week 3 for me.
Oh, I know, I know. See, that's because we were not able to cover every week properly. Okay, so the week number and the number in the document might differ. That's really okay. So you did the previous week, huh?
Uh,
So did
yeah.
you do this one? You did this one?
Uh, no. Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. This is just based out of angles and Gaussian sums. Did you do, Shaurya?
Huh?
Gaussian sums. Gaussian sums. Did you do these things like these?
No.
Okay, I see. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, maybe let's finish a couple of these and then move as well. Okay, because see, I did not do these. Let's see how you guys do. Though we did, okay, let's see. I'll stop here. I'll stop this here. let's go over directly for Gaussian sums and then you can do it at home as well. Those are pretty easy ones. So let's see. I don't know. Where is my notes? You're able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Mhm. Okay, I wanted to do Gaussian sums first, right? Okay. How about this? Let's try a few. Yeah. Have I talked to you about arithmetic sequences and geometric sequences, guys?
I think you have.
Let's see. Let's see. Let's go over it quickly. But Vidyut, you would have gone over it, right? Arithmetic sequences and geometric sequences.
Oh yeah, I know.
Yeah. Okay. So arithmetic sequences and geometric sequences. We'll just first go over the concept and then we'll move. Okay. So here, when you think about arithmetic sequences are 2, 4, 6, 8. Geometric sequences are 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. What is the difference between these?
Wait, Priyanti, like some of the numbers are like hidden.
Oh my God, what is going on? Arithmetics. Okay, share again. You're able to see now?
I can't see like. Oh yeah,
Arithmetic sequences, geometric sequences. Arithmetic sequences are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 9, 27, 81. What is the difference between these two? There is a common
difference.
difference D. Yeah, common difference is always the succeeding term minus the previous term. Don't do the other way. Okay. So this is 3 minus 1 is equal to a 2. What is the common ratio?
Yeah.
Like the second term divided
9
by the
by
first term.
3, 27 by 9 equal to 3. Do you see it? Okay, so here, how to find out the nth term of the arithmetic sequence?
You add
The first term. So you'll always add the first term plus,
uh n-1 times
yeah, n minus 1. Common differences you'll add. Good job. That is the nth term. Any questions here?
What is D?
D
Oh,
is
the common difference. Never mind.
no problem. Okay, common ratio. Similarly, here the same thing, guys. G1, the first term, you'll take it. And then here you have a common ratio. 3 by 1 equal to 9 by 3, right? So, what do? G1 you'll take times how many common ratios you'll multiply it with? How many common ratios you'll multiply it with? N minus 1. Got it? Make sense, guys? Okay, this is an important piece that you need to know. Okay, let's go ahead. Sum of arithmetic sequences also you should know. Sum of geometric sequences you should know. I have not shared the formula with you guys on that. Do you know the sum of arithmetic sequence formula? Meaning, do you know how to get the sum of arithmetic sequence?
No.
Okay. Here, let's try this. 1, 3, 5, 7. What is the sum of the sequence? 10, 16. Correct, guys?
16, yeah.
Correct?
Mhm.
Okay. Uh, we discussed, okay, how to, okay, what is 7 plus 1 by 2? 7 plus 1 by 2. So basically, okay,
Or
let me go ahead and give you the formula for now. So this will be n by 2, a1 plus an. What does that mean? 1,
you add the first and the last one, and then you
4
take
by
half of
2.
the whole.
Yes.
Mhm.
Make sense, guys? 16. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll just take that off. Okay. So now, if you're asked for a sum of arithmetic sequences, you should be able to do it seamlessly. Any questions on that?
No.
Always remember, if you're not given the nth term, this can be plugged in with your first term plus n minus 1 times d. You got it? Got it? So
Yeah.
basically the sum is always the average of the first and the last term times the number of terms. You got it? See, because why do we do that? You have to know that as well. See, if it is an arithmetic sequence, right? You see 8, 8. There will be, what is this? First term and last term, right? Again, you can pair up the terms. It will end up with the same number, right? That's what you do. A1 plus an by 2. So you're finding the average of the first term, last term divided by, you're finding the average of the first term and last term, multiplying it by the number of terms. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. What else I wanted to click on this? I don't know what I wanted to tell. Let me see. Um, uh, okay. Sum of a geometric series, meaning, see, sum of an infinite geometric series is something you have to know. Infinite geometric series. What is this? Infinite geometric series means what? Meaning it goes on forever. Okay. Such a sequence sum you should know. Meaning if it is finite, you have formulas. Okay. Let me put that as well. Sum of a finite geometric sequence. Finite geometric sequence. Let's say we'll consider 3, 6, 12, 24, 48. How do you find the sum? Here the common multiple is what? 2, right? The ratio, common ratio is 2, right? So the sum of the sequence, right? How do you write it? Sum of n terms will be the first term 1 minus r power of n by 1 minus r. Any questions here? Okay. Now, how do you find the sum of this geometric sequence? It's just plugging in values. The first term 3, 1 minus r is what? 2 power of n. N is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Divided by 1 minus 2. Any questions, guys? Any questions? So that will be 3 times 32 minus 31 by minus 1, right? So that would be 31 times 3, 93. Any questions?
No.
Okay. Um, okay. So this one, see, this is new. If you want, you can note down this sum of finite geometric sequence and arithmetic infinite geometric series. For this one, right, you'll go with a by 1 minus r. A by 1 minus r. Okay. Meaning your r value, common ratios between, in this case, right, sum of infinite geometric series, right? In this case, there are some conditions. Okay. This is for r value between minus 1 and 1. Okay, I will write it out as absolute value of r is less than 1, meaning if your common ratio, meaning 3, 6, 9, this does not work. Okay, this is basically in what type of geometric series, infinite geometric series I'm saying is the absolute value of the common ratio, right? Like this one, 3, 3 by 2, 3 by 4, 3 by 8. You see what happens here? The common ratio is half. So absolute value of half is less than 1, right? So in those cases, the sum of infinite geometric series will be a by 1 minus r power of n. Any questions? You know why?
Priyanti,
Hmm.
um, if it's like greater than one, is it gonna be infinite?
Ah, yes. That's right. Why? Because see, this r value is between one. It's a fraction. If it is a fraction, fractions power n is what? N is going to be a big number, let's say. Fraction power n will almost be 0, right? So it can be omitted. So that's why the formula became a by 1 minus r. Got it? That r power of n can be approximated to 0. As a result, the formula will become a by 1 minus r for infinite series where your common ratio is less than 1. Absolute value of your common ratio is less than 1. Can I move on?
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
with the circled one, what's the top?
Sum of infinite geometric series where the absolute value of r is less than 1 can be written as a by 1 minus r. How did that formula come? Because sum of finite geometric sequence with n terms is a times 1 minus r power of n divided by 1 minus r. This is the actual sum of geometric series. Now, if suppose the r value is a fraction, then this can be approximated to 0. So the formula becomes a by 1 minus r. Did I make it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, can I move on?
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to go back to your classroom. Where did I open it? 1 second, guys. Actually, I want to cover some. How about this? Okay, these are things that you already know is what I'm thinking, but let's see. Do you know this one? The sum of 1 plus 2 plus so and so and so and so. Why am I getting this as a... I don't know, guys. Okay. What is this? The sum of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 till n is 2, 2, 1, 1. What is n? Do you know how to find it? You can let me know.
I don't know how to find it.
You can think about it, others. How about this? Any thoughts? What is the sum of n numbers? Sum of n positive integers. What is the formula?
N times n plus 1 over 2.
Yeah. That will be equal to 2, 2, 1, 1. So n times n plus 1 will be equal to 4, 4, 2, 2. Correct, guys? What is n times n plus 1?
Under. Mm,
What is it? You have to guess. You have to try finding. 60 times 61. Let's try from 60 times 61. Is it less or more? Huh?
Oh, I think I got it.
Yeah, what is it?
And do I say it in the chat or say it out loud?
Say it out loud. It's okay. We are just discussing.
N is 66.
Correct. Well, how did you get that? You can use only the units digit to evaluate quickly. 6 times 7 ends with a 2. That's what I would do. But I'll start, I'll start with 60 times 61 and 70 times 71. I'll multiply both of this. I'll understand that this value comes in between these two. Okay, then I'll go ahead with the unit digit. Okay, whichever fits in, I'll try and see.
That's much more simpler than what I did.
What did you do? See, that's why when we discuss, a lot of ideas come up. What did you do?
I found the factors of 4422.
Oh my goodness, amazing. Good
That's
job.
what I was
I
trying
really
to
like
do.
it. Oh, I see. Okay, I did. See, it's just that meaning I did not know that you guys thought about it that way. It's nice to know. See, that puts extra thoughts in me too to do it that way. Okay, but this is so much easier. You will arrive at the answer quickly, right? And I wanted to you. I don't know. I wanted to ask you something and that got off my brain. Okay, guys, do you know how to do this? Quick multiplication, 45 times 96. How do you do, you know? I didn't mean to discuss this in the MC8 class, but I just wanted to know. Do you know how to multiply this quickly? Can I show you?
Sure.
6 times 5 is what?
30.
30. 3 is your carry. Multiply the 2 cross. Multiply the 2. 24 and
Yeah, in number 6.
45. 45 plus 24 is what? 69 plus 3, 67, right? Then again vertical.
What? 69 plus 3 is 72.
Did I make a mistake? 33, 24 plus 45. 45 plus 24 is what? 55, 65.
69.
69 plus 3 is 72. Good job. 69 plus 3 is 72. 7 carry. So 9 fours are again vertical. 9 times 4 is 36 plus 7 is what? 43.
43.
Easy?
Yep.
Oh.
One more time I can show you. 32 times 32 is what? Vertical. Then cross. 6 plus 6 is 12. No carry, right? 1 carry. Again vertical. 9, 10. Easy?
Yeah.
These
I
are
need
where
to practice this method to like actually use it.
yes, it takes time. I agree. I completely agree. And numbers ending with 5 is easy. You know that, right?
Yeah.
Numbers ending with 5 always ends with the 25, and then you have to think of the next number to this and multiply both and write. See, 105 square. How do you try 105 square? 25 times 25 you found it. 105 times 105 is 25 you'll write. But what is the leftover number 10? What is the next number? 10 times 11 is?
110.
Yeah. You got it? Shaurya,
Yeah.
did you get that?
Yep.
Okay. Now, let me go ahead and do. How about this? I really want to go with some other questions. Let's see. I don't know. Yeah. Do you know that the sum of the cubes is the square of the triangular sum? I don't know whether you guys know. Okay. Let's see. How do you do 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube? Sorry, 4 cube plus 5 cube. That goes on, let's say, till 12 cube. How do you sum it up?
Wait,
Huh?
I'm gonna try doing it.
Oh, no. You're not going to do it. There is a quicker way.
Oh,
Just a-
all the like from 1 to n, and then add all of those numbers and then square it.
Yep. So the cube sum will be equal to 1 plus 2 plus 2. You go till 12. This
Then
is
we can
easy to
do,
calculate, guys.
12 times 13 divided by 2, which is 78.
Exactly. 12 times 13 divided by 2, which is 78 square. You got it? 78 square, you can do this. 8 eights are 64, 6 carries, 7 eights are 56 plus 56 is what? 112.
112.
112 plus 6 is 118. 49, 59, 60. Make sense?
Oh yeah, I use difference of squares.
Difference of squares for this one?
Like yeah, 80 minus 78 and
80 minus 2.
78. Oh yeah, my I don't know.
Okay. But difference of squares won't apply here, right?
Wait, what did I do?
You can
Difference
do
of
like
squares does not apply here, right?
you can do like 80 minus 4 times 78.
80 minus 4.
Oh,
What?
80 squared minus 4 minus
80
4 times
square
78.
minus
Or
4.
Well, no, 4 times 79 actually.
well, that would be more complicated.
Yeah, I don't know. It's all each of our brain. That's fine. I find it complicated, this one. It just depends. Nothing is good or bad. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay. I really want to go to geometry, but let me do some more problems in this. Okay. Anyway, we need to do, right? Let's see. Classroom problems. Okay. You know triangular numbers, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What else?
What are triangular numbers?
Like 1, 3, 6, 10 numbers which are 1 plus 2 plus 3 all the way to n.
Yeah, like
Uh,
1 and then 1 plus 2, then 1 plus 2 plus 3, then 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, and then so on.
Those are triangular numbers.
thanks.
Do you want to show that? Do you want to show that? Vidyut or Shivesh, please.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Like,
Mm-hmm.
They're called triangular numbers because like it's 1 plus 2
Nice. I can draw. 1 plus 2.
plus
Mm.
3, and it makes like a
Triangle.
triangle.
Correct. Do you get it? See, arranging balls like this, right? It forms a triangle, right?
Yeah.
You see, then 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. What is this? What is that
10.
number? Yeah, so
Yeah.
they form the triangular numbers. Make sense?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Then what else I want? Grouped alternating. Yeah, then I told you about the sum. I did not tell you about the sum of cubes we said. But what is the sum of squares? Do you all know? What is the sum of squares formula?
Sum of squares?
Hmm?
Like x squared plus y squared?
Sum of squares, Amma. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square.
Oh, that
1 square plus 2
Mm,
square plus 3 square plus 4 square. Like that, if it goes on till n square.
No.
Wait.
wait, let me
There is a formula. You have to memorize all this. If you're into competitive math, you have to memorize all this. N times n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6.
Oh,
Yeah, these are common formulas in competitive math. Okay, can I move on?
1 minute.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, now I'm going to give you something. You're going to find, okay? Whatever we have discussed, I'm going to give. Let me see whether you guys find it. Can I go ahead and give you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
14 plus 19 plus 24. 14 plus 19 plus 24 till 124. Can you find the sum of this? It's not a hard one. Yeah, finding the number of numbers is going to be a lot harder. Yeah. Do you know how to find the number of numbers in the sequence?
No.
Why don't you figure that out? You will remember forever how to find out the number of numbers. There's a common difference of 5.
like the first term plus the last term over 2 minus 1
Number of
plus 1.
numbers. You have to find n, right? For finding the sum of that sequence, you have to find n. What is the number of numbers?
Um, n minus the first term. The last number minus the first number
Yes,
over
divided by.
over the difference
Yeah.
Correct. That's correct. Good job.
plus 1.
Did you? No. Yeah, plus
Oh,
1. Correct. Did you figure that out?
yeah, I was trying to figure that out the entire
That's
time.
see, figuring out you'll remember forever. See, okay, I'll wait. I'll wait for everybody to solve. I want to solve this. Okay, I want to do some number theory, and I want to go ahead with the geometry that we left off. Did you guys get it?
Yeah.
I thought I got it, but then I realized one of the numbers was using was wrong.
Wait, Printy, is my answer correct?
One of the numbers I'm checking your answer. Hold on. One of the okay. See, time also is a factor, guys, in these. That doesn't seem right. I don't know why. I don't know why. One five. No. Hey, this is the sum of arithmetic sequence, right, guys? How do you do that? Arithmetic sequence, the first term is 14, the last term is 124. So, what is the formula? Remember, you have to take the we had it as what? A1 plus
69.
no, what is the okay, you don't go with formulas, is it?
The average is 69.
Oh, average is 69. Okay. Times number of numbers, you know how to calculate. Number of numbers is 124 minus 14, the first term minus the last term. What do you do after that? Then divide by the
Divided by
common
the
difference.
difference.
Yeah, then only you'll get the number of numbers, right? So that will be
So
110 by
5,
5. 2s are 10, 2s 22. So
but you
69
have to
times
add 1.
Wait,
plus
oh,
1.
Priya,
Yes, yes,
Add 1.
yes, yes,
It's
yes, 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 yes. So this one will give you one number less. So you need to add that one to find the number of numbers, meaning first term last term minus the first term divided by the common difference. That will give you the total number of numbers, one less. So you need to add that one every time. Everybody forgets this plus one. So when you add that one, it's a 23, right? So that 23, I'll multiply that here. Make sense? Yep, 69 times 23, our easy way of multiplying, that which we discussed just now, right? 9 3s are 27, 2, 18, 20. 20 plus 18 is 38. 3, 6 are 12, 13, 1587 is the
Wait,
answer.
what
We
did how did you get 20 plus 18? Oh yeah, because of the 2.
yeah, you got it? See, those are things that can make, you can squeeze in time, you see. Karthik, we're doing some number theory before we go on to, meaning I put in the package, but we did not get to discuss this. So I am doing those before I go to the geometry, continue the geometry. Okay, Karthik?
okay.
Did you get it, Ma? Shivesh, did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, how about see the Gaussians? Okay, the problems before that I have completed. We have discussed enough, and you can figure out the rest at home. Is what I saw in the week 3 pack. Oh, I am on week 3 packet. Okay, week 4 as well. We have done well, but week 4 towards the later questions we did not get time to solve. Oh, this is a good one actually. How about this? This is a very good one. Let's see. This one, please, guys, you're going to evaluate by yourself, okay? What happened? Yeah. Yeah. How do you do that? Can I help you or do you want to figure out? 1 plus 2 minus
I think
3
I know how to do it.
5 minus 6. You want to try?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Plus 59 minus 60. See, guys, but number theory is a lot more harder than these, though.
Wait, what? Oh, I got my answer.
What was it? What was it?
I sent.
Sent it in the chat.
You sent it in the chat. One 35, 570, 60. Three people, three different answers. What should I do? Interesting, right? Guys, very interesting, guys. Should I tell it out answer?
Yeah.
I gave you a nice problem. One of you got it right. Karthik got it right. You want to say Karthik?
Sure.
Hmm.
So you know how you did like adding terms?
Mm-hmm.
So if you see 1 is 1, 1 through 58 is a 1, 2 and 59 is another 3, and 60 is 1.
Sorry.
Because
Okay, okay. I am telling differently, you're telling differently. So you go ahead. Go ahead.
they all add 3. So 1 plus 3 equals 4. Wait, there you go. So 1 goes to 4, which is plus 3. 2 goes to 5, which is plus 3. And 3 goes to 6, which is plus 3. So first, I did 3 and 60. And 3 times 60 divided by 3 equals 20. So since you divided by 2, 60 plus 3 times 10, 630.
Whoa.
Then
Okay.
I did it with 2 and 59. 61 times 10, 610.
Uh-huh.
Then I subtracted it. So now it's minus 20. And then I did 1 and 58. 590 minus 20.
Wow. Okay. Okay. The way I thought about it was this, guys. 2 plus 1 minus 3. 4 plus 5 minus 3. I got it like this. So what it be? 7, 8, 9, right? So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What is this, guys? 15 minus 9. What is 15 minus 9? 6. So it's becoming a what sequence?
Arithmetic.
Yeah, it is becoming an arithmetic sequence. So this is a minus 1, 57. So that's easy, right? Sum of the arithmetic sequence is very easy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I thought. But I like Karthik's idea as well. Shauri, are you following this? Why it is an arithmetic sequence? Because the common difference is 3. The first term is 0. The last term is 57. Does that
Yeah.
help, Shaurya?
Yeah.
Okay. See, that's why I found, that's how I did it. So the Gaussian sums, you can go ahead and do the rest of the problems. Okay. Can I go ahead and try this one? Okay, let's try this one. This is a 2016 AMC8 problem. We'll try that. Uh, let's see this one. Can we try that? See, the main thing to focus on is this. Two congruents, I want you to draw, okay? I don't want to give the diagram to you. You can draw on the board as well. If you want to get it on the board. Two congruent circles means exactly looking circles centered at points A and B, each pass through the other circle's center. Each passes through the other circle center. The line containing both A and B is extended to intersect the circles at points C and D. The circles intersect at 2 points, one of which is E. What is the degree measure of CED? Do you want me to draw? Let me know, guys. If you're stuck only, I'll draw.
I've done this problem before, like
That's nice.
a few times.
Okay, you know the answer?
Yeah, I sent it in chat. I think it's right.
Then wait. Yeah, that's right. You want to go ahead and explain, or should we wait?
Let's probably wait.
Right. Okay. Would you like to do one more problem?
Sure.
Mm-hmm. Let's try these. I've given you 3 problems on the board. Okay. Yeah. I really want to discuss at least 2-3 similar triangle problems.
Auntie, that's not the answer for the first one.
I sent my answers.
Miss Priya sent my answer.
For the first one, ma?
Yeah.
I think I've seen all of these problems before.
Yes, they were in the packet.
Yeah, that's probably where I saw them.
Some of them were in the packet. Vidyut, yeah, that is correct. Vidyut, which one is the answer, Vidyut? I'm so confused now.
For the first one.
Shaurya, that's correct. Vidyut, that is correct. The last answer is correct. Karthik, I'm waiting for your answer. Shaurya, try. Shivesh, did you do the second problem?
I did all 3. I think I've seen these before.
They were in the packet, Amma.
Okay, yeah.
And you know what? All these are aim set problems.
Yeah, those probably were where I
All
saw.
these are aim set old problems.
Uh,
I just picked it up by the topic that we are discussing. I don't know the answer, honestly. Yeah, that's right. Did you understand how to get that, Shivesh?
yeah.
Okay. You want to explain?
Sure. For the first one?
Yeah. Do you guys know about the space diagonal in a cube?
Yeah, I
3D
think.
geometry is as well important, guys, for AMC. We all know what a space diagonal is in a cube. Karthik,
No.
do you know what is a space diagonal in a cube?
No.
No.
Okay, let me show you. Let me show you. Let's finish this. Okay. I want to do
Can I
two.
show how I did the first one?
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. And please do it on the board, Shivesh.
Yeah, okay. I am. So, the circles, this is really bad, but these are their centers and they intersect there. Yeah, it's weird explaining. Yeah. So points C and D or here.
You want me to draw that for you, Shivesh?
And here, yeah, you can probably draw it.
Yeah, I'll draw that. You can explain. Wait.
That's point E.
Let me draw that. You can explain.
Yeah.
Good enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
What
those are points A and B.
Uh-huh.
And point C,
Centered
D,
around
and
points
E.
A and B. The line containing is extended. 20 circles at C and D. Yes, ma'am?
That's C, it's D, E, and this is E. E, D, and
Which is nice. Yep. Can I name them as R, R, R? All are radiuses, radii, right?
yeah.
Karthik, did you get the answer for this one, Karthik?
No, I didn't.
You didn't. Okay, but see, these are
I'm
clues.
not really good in like circle geometry.
No, you'll be. This is not circle geometry hard. These are simple ones that come out in AMC8. All these are old. See, this is 2016 AMC8.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead and try. What is the measure of CED? Shivesh, you want to explain CED? Is this right? Think about
Yeah.
how can you get whatever knowledge you have, right? Based on that only, I've chosen the problems to solve in class.
Well, since point E lies on the circles, yeah, since point E lies on the circles, it's also the same distance from A and B, which means that this is an equilateral triangle, and like this is 60 and stuff.
Yep, this is R, this is R as well.
And since that's an equilateral triangle, if you like bisect E, the length of this, like if R is 1, the length of that is half of the square root of 3.
It is an equilateral triangle. So this becomes what? If this is an equilateral triangle, when you draw the angle bisector, right, that is also the perpendicular bisector for this one, right? The perpendicular bisector gets you this is 60 degrees, this is 60 degrees. When you draw the perpendicular bisector, it becomes a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Make sense, guys?
But the length of it compared to the radius is the square root of 3 divided by 2, like compared to its sides and stuff.
Good. So what happens?
So then then since the length of, let's say, C to this new point, I guess this can be point F, I don't know. Let's just make that a new point because that's how I figured it out. It's 1.5 R, and that's the square root of 3 divided by 2 R. And
But why do you need all those? Why do you need all those?
That's just how I figured out the angles. If you multiply them by 2, you get this as 3, and this as just the square root of 3. Yeah, it's hard to explain. And then if you divide those by the square root of 3, you get this as the square root of 3, and this as 1, and I don't know, I just figured out that it was a 30, 60, 90 triangle because 1a and the square root of 3a and that.
Wow. Hey, Shivesh, why did you want to find the lengths? They're asked only for CED, right?
I don't know, I just found out the lengths, and since I realized it was a 30, 60, 90 triangle and its mirror was 2, so that's 60 and 60, and that's 120 degrees.
Oh, wow. Okay, well done. Can I say my thought process?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me show you my thought process here, okay? So you showed that this is clearly an this is clearly an equilateral triangle you showed, right? So here I drew the straight line. Think about it. Which are R? This is R, correct? This is R, correct? This is R. Any questions on that?
No.
Okay, now this is R, correct? This is as well R, correct? For the second. So everything is R means it's an equilateral triangle 60. We are only bothered about angles here. 60, 60, 60, right? If that is 60, then it's very easy for me to find this is 120. Any questions, guys?
No.
But when you think about it further in detail, right? Connect this. What happens? This is also an isosceles triangle, right? If one of the angle is 120 and the rest of them are equal, right? So 60 has been split as 30, 30, right? So this is 60, this is 30. Here as well, 120. Again, this is an isosceles triangle. So these two are equal. 30, 30. So what is that you need to find out? Only this angle constitutes 30, 60, 30. Add them up, you get 120. Make sense?
Yeah.
They'll be there with respect to AMC, maximum they'll touch area, perimeter, 3D geometry, similar triangles. Similar triangles will be hard. Can I go ahead?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I really want to do the similar triangle problem. Okay, let's do the last two problems later. Okay, I'll bring in the similar triangles problems that I wanted to do in class.
Well, you have it at least a little bit, right? Then you're fine.
Let's try this one. I had some similar triangles problem to work with you. How about this? Yeah, this one was a good one. Can we try this? I said we'll do at least two. This one, the bad problem is very famous. That came up in 2016 MC8. Let's see. How about this? This one comes every time. Okay, but see, these are based off similar triangles. Can we try this? I don't know why my notes page is coming like this. 1 second, guys. I'm going to close this open. Quit. 1 second, guys. I don't want that. Hey, Karthik, did you understand how we got that, Karthik?
Yeah.
Okay. So it will. Okay, it'll be this is so good now.
That looked pretty good. My only note, I have one note.
Try this one.
When you like do this kind of thing,
Try
you
this
can
one.
let your hands go out all the way.
Like,
You're holding yourself.
let's discuss
This part.
Ow, look.
let's discuss this, please.
Like you can go a little, you can go a little bit more carefree with it. You're focused on what the next move is, but
3,
just, like let yourself go all the way. 3 of that.
3.
That's, but other than that,
Right?
it's pretty good.
Now, let's consider this triangle
Oh yeah.
and this triangle. What happened to them? What do you think about those two triangles? What do you think about these two triangles?
They're isosceles.
Similar.
They are similar. That's true. They are similar. But what is their ratio then? What's the corresponding side ratio?
1 to 3. 1 to 3.
1:3. So their height. Oh, I don't want to do this. Wait.
Wait.
Suppose if I say this height is h, please, these type of problems do come. If this is h, this is 3h.
Do you have?
Okay. Now what can we do about it? DC equal to CB. DC equal to that's what is 111. Okay, BA. What is the area of the bat wings? Okay, how to find the area of the bat wing? Tell me, what is your thought?
I'm calculating like the area of like all the white parts and I'm subtracting that from 12.
Very nice. Do you want to do that?
Yeah, I'm doing it.
All the white. That's a little tough. Let me see. You have the concept of similar triangles. Find out the area for all the triangles, 4 triangles, subtracted from the rectangles area. You should get the answer.
But like
Like, shouldn't it say 4 on the left side?
And find the area of rectangle.
Which one?
Rectangle.
Shouldn't it say 4 on the left side?
4 on the left.
The left side of the rectangle where it says 3.
4. Yes. You caught me. Yes. This is 4 means this is 4 as well.
The most likely.
Priyanti, I sent my answer.
The dance.
I have to go to internet for the answer. Wait.
Your priority is
This one? I don't know if I have the answer. Let me check.
So can you please finish your dinner and then come do your song for, because that's the important part of the audition. Not that the dance part is important for this audition, and maybe you don't.
I also sent my answer.
Kivish, your answer is right. Vidyut, somewhere we went wrong, I felt.
That's what you're focusing on right now.
Shaurya, good try. Which one is 9, Shaurya?
Yeah, so can you please?
Karthik, I really want you to try this, Karthik.
Okay.
Karthik, you can come up with your ideas.
Okay.
Shaurya, how did you get the 9? You want to explain?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
So for the two similar triangles, I thought one. So can I draw?
Yeah, please.
So I thought since this was 1, this would also be 1, and with the area of a triangle, that would be 0.5 as the area. And then for this one, I thought 3 because 3h, and then the base is 3 as well. So that would be 9, but 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. And then for this one, I thought the height was 4 and the base is 1. So I got 2 for both of these since they're the same triangle.
Okay.
And 4 plus 5 is 9.
Yeah, but it is asking for the back wing, right?
Oh.
So
Then it would be 3,
12
right?
minus 9, 3. Yeah, 3. Vidyut,
Yeah.
did you get it? Your answer was incorrect.
Now I see.
Okay, now I want to go. See, the other two, whatever I've given you, right? This is based on angle chasing. Okay, that you can do it later. Okay, we are sitting on angle chasing for a long time. So I'm going to, I think that's there already in the packet that I've given you. Okay. I want to do more of similar triangles. At least a couple questions I need to do on similar triangles. Then you can go ahead, go home and do more. Okay. Let's try a few more. Let's try at least one more, right? Let's see. How about this? This is a good one. What is this? Yeah. It's a hard one though. How about this? This is a 2018 MC. Let's see. See, problems like this only they touch. Okay. Similar triangles, they don't get so hard. But similar triangles is an area that's always hazy in MC8. Okay. And they make it a little hard. Point E is the midpoint of the side CD. So I'll mark. If I were you, right, I'll go, the diagram is there. I'll go ahead and mark. E is the midpoint. I'll do this. CD in square ABCD. So if this is X, this is 2X, 2X, 2X. Meets diagonal AC at F. The area of the quadrilateral AFED is 45. See the area of quadrilateral AFED. This is how I say area of quadrilateral AFED is 45. Now they're asking for area of the quadrilateral ABCD. Oh wow, they're asking for the full quadrilateral. Okay. How do we want to proceed with this? Think slowly on it. We'll see. Let's see. There are similar triangles. Which are similar triangles, first of all? Which ones are similar triangles? The ratio between the similar triangles.
AFB and EFC.
Yeah.
A.
FB.
Okay, instead of the 2x, right, I would really prefer to have xxx. Let's say side of the square, right? I will have it as x. Side of the square, I'll have it as xxx. So that's easy on me. Okay, so I can mark it like that, and this is x by 2, x by 2. So AFB and what?
EFC.
Why they are similar triangles? Tell me. Just a quick review. Why they are similar triangles?
Because they're intersecting angles.
What similarity is that? That doesn't say they are similar triangles. What similarity is that? You can have two angles to be equal, or two angles on the included side to be equal, or you can have two sides in the included angle to be equal and stuff. Here, these two are parallel lines, guys. So this is equal to this. The angle, see, this angle is equal to this angle. Okay, when we do all this, we should not forget the base. This angle is equal to this angle. So it's AA similarity. Okay, now the ratio between, see, now this is the height. Let's say this is h, right? So the ratio is 1:2. Am I mistaken? The ratio is 1:2, right? This is x by 2, this is x. So that tells me this is x by 2, this is x. That tells me that the ratio between the sides of these similar triangles is 2. Any questions still there?
No.
Okay. Now, let's see this one. One relation that I see here is, okay, if this is h, right, what should this be?
2H.
Why?
Because you said that the ratio is 1:2.
Very nice. So, can I say 3h will be equal to x? Can I say that?
Yeah.
I can say that, right? So, you have the relationship between 3 and h as well, correct? H equal to x by 3. Okay, if this is x by 3, right? This is 2x by 3. Correct, guys?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, how to find? What are we going to find? Oh, we know that this is 45. Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, how are we going to go ahead and find out the area of A, B, C, D? What is the area of ADC? What is the area of ADC? What is the area of ADC? That is easy to find, I am saying. Let's see. For ADC, area of triangle ADC, basically 2 times area of ADC is 2 times area of ADC. ADC, this big triangle. What is the area of that? Shall we try? 45 plus half x by 2 times x by 3. Correct, guys? Am I with you all?
Yeah.
Yeah, 3 is 6, 6 is 12. I'm getting x square by 12. Is that so? But 2
Yeah.
times that, what would happen? 2 times that area is what?
Hey.
2 times that triangle's area is what?
90. Wait.
No, no, no. 2 times. This
90.
triangle's 2 times area is what?
90.
Yeah, 90 plus x squared over 6.
Oh, 90 plus x square over 6 is what? Is equal to what I'm asking? Correct. Is equal to what? Is equal to? Is equal to?
ABCD area.
Yeah, ABCD area is what?
BH then,
X.
X square by
X, right?
Oh, x
What is it?
squared.
X square. So that you get the equation. Some equation you need to get. Okay. So what have they given? We have to use what they have given. 45. How to get the whole area? See, I have derived some relation between x and h here. So utilize this triangle, add it with that, and twice of that will make up the big area. Make sense, guys? So subtract x square on both sides.
Yeah.
Will be equal to minus 90. I should not have done this. Okay, it's okay. 5x square by 6 equal to 90. 18 x square will be equal to 18 times 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Square root of 108. That's what I'm getting is x. But x square is asked. Okay, 108 is the answer. Sorry. 108 is the answer. Does that make sense, guys?
Can you explain it one more time?
Absolutely. Okay, let's do one more time. No. Okay, now let me go ahead and explain once more. E is the midpoint. This is the biggest clue. Okay. First, I thought of taking x by 2, xx and 2x. I thought it will be very hard, meaning it's a simpler problem. I don't need to take as 2x, I felt. So I split it out as x by 2, x by 2. Okay. This is x, x, x. This area is given as 45. Okay. I have to use what is given. Okay. Now, I found out that these two are similar triangles. This triangle and this triangle are similar triangles. Okay, now what do? I have to come up with something, right? So let me use the 45. Okay, but I don't know anything else here, right? So I will go ahead and see with the similar triangles, can I establish some ratios and find the area of the red triangle is what I'm trying to find out. Okay, now I know this is the ratio, the side ratio for these similar triangles is 1 is to half is to 1, right? Smaller one is half, the bigger one is 1. How do I know that? See, this is x by 2, this is x. So I'm thinking if the height of the smaller triangle is h, the height of the bigger triangle I can write it out as h by, I'm sorry, 2h, I'm sorry guys. Because it's 1 is to 2 ratio, right? X by 2, I put it out as x. So if I take this as h, I can take this as 2h. What is the relationship between 2h and x? That I need to know, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah. So 3h equal to x. Correct?
Yeah.
Yep. Now, why do I want it? For me to calculate the area of this, I need it because the area of that will be equal to half times x by 2 times h. I cannot have two different variables. I need to connect them. Okay, so I go ahead and substitute instead of x, you can put 3. I don't want to retain h. I want x. That's what x square is what I want at the end, right? So I want to replace for h. If I replace for h, it would be x by 3. So total, Karthik, are you listening?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is x square by 12 is my small triangle's area. Now I'm adding these two, 45 plus x square by 12, that is this triangle area. Okay, multiply by 2, that will give you the square area, which is x square. Did you get it, Shaurya?
Yeah.
Shivesh, did you get it?
Yeah.
Solve the equation, you get x square equal to 108. Make sense,
Yeah.
guys?
Yeah, that makes sense now.
Okay, see, similar triangles, when they enter, you have to solve more problems. Okay, I'll give you more problems in this week. Okay, I'll send it. Please let me put it down tomorrow. Okay, only on similar triangles I'll give you. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll stop here, guys, and see you all next week again.
Bye, Priyanti.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Hi, guys. Please give me 1 minute. I know we are very late today, but give me a minute. Sorry, guys, I got delayed with the other class. Okay. Let's go ahead. Okay. What did I want? Okay. Are you back, Naman? Are you back in India? Are you back in the US?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. So let me go ahead.
That was fantastic. That was
So,
amazing.
did you guys do the homework, ma'am?
Yeah.
Did you all do the homework? Any
Yeah.
questions on that? Any questions?
No.
Inian, Siddharth, any questions?
No.
Okay. Thoda. Okay, but I did see some of you have not submitted. I know Darsh is out. Shruti is also. Netra, did you do the homework?
Yeah.
Siddharth, did you do the homework? Siddharth, did you do the homework? Okay. Siddharth is here, right? Siddharth, are you there? This is not fine, guys. You not being on the video logged in is not okay.
Hi Priya, Siddharth is in bathroom.
Oh, he'll come. Okay,
Sorry,
just
he joined and he went to bathroom.
yeah, that's fine. But just
Yeah.
switch on the video, right? Because it's
Okay,
so
okay.
hard for me to understand what's going on.
Okay, okay. He was waiting, then
Right.
he went to bathroom. Okay.
Sure. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let me quickly see. Okay. Okay, some of you who have done the homework, right? Did you check your answers, guys? That's the other question. Are you checking against the key? Sreshta, did you, ma?
No, I didn't this time. I finished it the day it was due, so.
Oh. Okay. Others, how are you doing? I had questions on who's, let me tell you. Naman, did you check?
So I submitted it without checking it, but after I saw the answer sheet and I checked it.
Okay. Jeevanashri, how about you?
I checked like the day after it was due, so I submitted before.
But did you check whether you got any mistakes?
Yeah.
Let me see, guys. Given this graph, what is go ahead, guys. Go ahead, guys. Did you guys get it? Yeah, some of you have answered. Nice. Jashvita, you corrected your answers, ma? At least did you cross check with the key?
No.
Ma, please do that every week, ma.
Okay.
After you do, you have to. I will go over, but not like every single question.
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
could you like help me? I just don't understand how to find these.
Yeah, I also don't understand that well.
How did you do your homework? Did you attend the classes?
Yeah, I think I missed a class a couple weeks ago.
No, no, no. Last class we dealt with this, right?
Oh, we did. What date was last Tuesday?
I don't know. You have to check.
Okay.
Naman, did you attend last class?
No,
Did you look through the recording fully without missing anything?
I looked through. Yeah, I just couldn't get it that well. I mean, but I'm like halfway through it.
Okay, that's the problem. Yeah. Pranav, how did you get that answer? Can you explain?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
I looked at the curve point.
Mm-hmm. Ah, okay. You looked at the curve points.
Oh, I did it wrong. I know. I forgot.
Okay. You want to fix it?
Yeah.
Sure. Okay. I don't know how the others did, but okay. There is no f of x equal to, I should have extended this a little bit for sure. Okay. F of x equal to minus 5. Let me take it out like this. Okay. F of x equal to minus 5. There is no minus 5. Okay, first of all, problems like this, right? The graph is composed of, don't worry about this problem at all. Okay, I really want you to understand this first. See, every graph is defined by x comma y points. X comma y, x comma y, x comma y. Input, output. Remember the input output table you used to build in earlier classes? So every graph is defined by x comma y points. This is 0 comma 0. So when you think about it, right, there are two quantities whose relationship is what we are picturing. There are two quantities whose relationship we are picturing. Okay. So basically this point is 0 comma 0. So the x value there is 0, y value there is 0. You know this already. Come to this one. If that is minus 5, this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Correct? So here minus 2, comma 1, 2, 3, 4. See, so my x value is minus 2, y value is 4. When we started learning functions last week, instead of saying y, I said hereafter we will call that y as f of x, function of x. That means a quantity that is dependent on my input. This is my output quantity. Don't call it as y. This is my output quantity. And how to read it? Function of x. Okay, we don't say, hey, f multiply by x. Please don't say that. Okay, I'm against it. If kids in algebra say that, I cannot digest. Okay, this is function of x. You take this as your output quantity or output variable y. Okay, so whatever y value is in here, that is your f of x, that is your output. So this is your input. Okay, now if I have the point minus 2 comma 4 on the graph, I can say my f of x equal to 4 when x equal to minus 2. Any questions, guys? Any questions?
No.
Okay, here let's take this one. 1, 2, that's it, right? 2
Yeah.
comma minus 2 maybe. I can say my f of x equal to minus 2 when x equal to 2. Any questions? We are just comparing the x and y, that's all. Any questions here?
No.
Okay. With this concept in place, let's go ahead and try a few more. Let's see. I want you to try this one. Okay. How did you do that? Okay, let me ask you this. G of x equal to minus 3x plus 1. Okay. Can you tell me what is g of minus 1? What I'm saying, I've given you the value of y parameter when the input is x. Now I'm asking when the input is minus 1, what will be my output? Can we try that? Srihari, that's right. Naman, that's right. Naman, you have to add and tell me the answer fully.
Okay.
Yeah. Good job. Naman, Srihari, nice. Pranav, nice. Netra, how did you get a minus 2, ma Netra? Substitute x equal to minus 1, right, ma Netra? When you substitute x equal to minus 1, that's what they are showing in here. So when I substitute x equal to minus 1, it becomes 3 plus 1, 4. So my g of minus 1 will be equal to 4. Any questions, guys? Jeevanashri. Okay, now I'm going to ask more questions. Okay, let me write it down for you. H of x equal to 12 by x. Okay. I want to know, find x when h of x will be equal to a minus 4. What will be the answer for x? Yeah, similar questions were asked in the homework, but this is just a review of the homework. That will give me an idea of where each kid is in. Let's send that in chat, guys. Got it? That's nice, Inian. Jeevanashri. Is that right, Ma Jeevanashri? You're just going to plug in, right? Jeevanashri. Did you make a mistake? Yes, Krishal, that's right. Pranav, that's right. Karthik, that's right. Sreshta, that's right. Jashvita, that seems right. Jeevanashri, I'm waiting for your answer. Netra, correct. Naman, correct. Jeevanashri, did you identify the mistake?
Yeah, I'm doing it again.
Okay. I think everybody got it. Good job. Okay, let's go ahead. So you all got to do this. Okay, I'm going to go over more. So they will twist and I want to give you a challenge problem. Something similar to this you definitely did in the homework, but I'm going to ask you more. Let's see. Okay, let's try this. Let me give you a little bit differently, okay? Do this one, guys. You will get the answer with A, B, and all. It's okay. Just send. Shrestha, that's right.
Okay.
Guys, if you're stuck, you can just send. We let you can explain like that something. Don't keep quiet. You're just wasting your own class if you keep quiet. If you can tell me where you're struggling, I will really help.
Miss Priya, I don't get it.
Yeah, it's okay. I'll help. Correct, ma. Indian. The signs are in. Yeah, yeah, you're right, Indian. Good job. Okay, guys, it is just substitution. Jashwita, did you get it? Naman, did you see how to get? Netra,
Is my answer right?
did you send it just now? Yes.
Yeah.
No, not really, ma'am. See, guys, the B minus A, right? You're going to plug it in where? Wherever there is X. J of X is this. If X was my input, this would be my output. If B minus A was my input, so wherever you see X, you have to plug in with B minus A, which is 9 minus 2 times B minus A. 9 minus 2B plus 2A. Make sense, guys?
Yeah, would that be the answer?
Yeah, that is the answer, nothing
Oh.
else. But you know what? I'm going to make it a little bit tougher, okay? J of X equal to 2X plus 1. No. I want to change this. 1 minus 2x, okay? H of x will be 2 minus 3x. What is? This is a complicated problem. J of h of x. So what I am asking you to do, J of x is given, h of x is given. I'm asking for J of h of x. How to do that? Please tell me. If you did not know, I'm here to explain though. But please let me know, guys. Done, guys? I thought we did functions. It's unit 2, right? Or unit, I don't remember what is the unit.
இந்த 2 பனானா நிறைய ஃப்ரூட்ஸ் எல்லாம் சாப்பிட்டேன்.
Miss Priya,
Yes, Naman.
I need help. I don't get it.
I saw. We'll just. Oh wow, Srishta. Okay. Oh, Krishan, did you get that? How did you get that? Not really, Krishan. Okay, let me see. I'm going to help you with that. Indian. This is a little hard, definitely. Let me see, Indian. Let me see if that's the answer. Okay. Indian. Okay. Now let me go ahead and work it out and see. See, they have given j of x. J of x is my y value of a function called j. That's all. It says whenever I have input x, I will have the answer as 1 minus 2x. Now they are asking for j of h of x. So what are they doing? Wherever they see x, they are substituting with h of x. Whatever is in the bracket only tells what to substitute. Okay, instead of x, they are sending h of x. What is h of x? So wherever I see x in my j of x function, I'll be substituting 2 minus 3x, right? So I'll substitute 2 minus 3x. That's all. Now evaluate it. 1 minus 4 plus 6x. 6x minus 3. Indian, very good job. Did you get it, guys? Are we clear? Naman, did you get it clear?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, so you're just going to plug in values. That's all about functions. Okay. Did we talk about the vertical line test last week?
Yeah.
Okay. So now can you tell me whether this is a function? Is this a function?
No.
Okay. Is this relationship is a what type of relationship? This relationship is a what type of relationship? This relationship is what type of relationship? What type of relationship is this?
A linear?
Okay, what? Okay. First of all, is this a function?
Yes.
Nice. It is linear. Okay, I get it. But is it discrete or continuous function? Is it discrete or continuous function?
Discrete?
Why?
Because they're separate points.
Yeah, they are separate points. 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 4. They're not connected, and you have see this curly braces and telling the points, only certain points. For that matter, for x value is in between. There is no y value in the function. You see? So it is a discrete function and it is not a continuous function. Any questions, guys? We also discussed domain and range, right, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, we also discussed domain and range. That's pushing me a little bit. Let's see. This is my function, okay. Okay, this one is okay. Now, this is my function, guys. I'm highlighting it. Okay. What is the domain of this function? Meaning, it's not a straight line, guys. It's curvy. Because if it's a straight line, it won't be a function at all. This is a nice function. Okay. This is a nice function. Now, can you tell me the domain of this function? As an inequality, you can write and range of this function. I'll wait for your answers, okay? But please tell me the answers in chat. We are just reviewing last week because this forms your basis for everything. That's why I'm taking the time again to review. done? Can we try? Can I help you guys? I got 5 answers. Oh, I got 3 answers. Oh, wow. Wow, Krishiv, good job, Krishiv. But Krishiv, one is a whole, one is a dot, right? Krishiv, did you not see that?
Oh, I didn't. Oh, my bad. I didn't see the dot.
That's so important. Very nice, Sri Hari. Did you do the homework? That's nice, Sri Hari. But domain is not 1 to 1, right? It's -2 to 2, right, Sri Hari?
Nice to. Oh, I thought it was like the smallest possible thing, right? Or is it the side one?
No, right? The starting point, ending point.
Oh, okay.
Sreshta, I don't get it, Sreshta. What is that slash symbol?
I think it might be like the or equal to sign.
Sreshta.
Yeah.
What is the sign, ma? Slash.
Less than or equal to, because I don't know how to type it.
Oh, I'll tell you how to type, okay? No, not really, Sreshta, because do you see one is really a whole, one is a dot. There's a difference between, right?
Yeah.
So domain means look at your x-axis. Naman, I did not see your answer. Let me see who all answered, please. Give me a minute. First,
Okay.
let me go. Yeah. Indian, not really Indian. Naman. That's right, Naman. Netra, that is right, ma. No, Netra, the starting point is incorrect on both Netra. Okay, let me go ahead and explain, guys. On the, hey Pranav, your less than equal to is missing. On the x-axis, what is my starting point? The graph starts here, the graph ends here, correct? So domain is, starting point is -2, ending point is 2. How do you put less than symbol? This is covered, right? Less than or equal to x. And then what? This is a whole, right? Less than 2. Any questions? Now, what is the range? What is the range? Range is, what is the lowest point on the y-axis? -3. It is a dot, shaded dot. Remember from 7th grade, shaded dot means less than equal. Y. Then up, what is the highest point? 3, but it is a whole. Less than 3. Any questions, guys? Any questions? Okay, okay, okay. This is on a graph. Okay. If I give you something on related to a verbal context, right, you should be able to find it nicely. That's my thought here. Okay. Let's see. Give me 1 second. So I'm going to give you verbal context for domain and range. You should be able to do. I think we practiced this in last class itself, right? Okay. Given scenarios, you should be able to find out the domain and range. What are the possible input values? What are the possible output values? Now you know how to differentiate a whole and a shaded point, right? As a domain in domain and range. And whatever domain and range we studied, the notation that we used for was inequality notation. So to write out your domain, you wrote out an inequality. To write out your range, you wrote out an inequality. Now guys, let's go ahead and try this one. These diagrams are called function mapping diagrams. Last week we did, right? So now let's see. So this one. Okay. Is this relationship? This is called a function mapping diagram. Function mapping diagram relates to quantities, right? This function mapping diagram, does it refer to a function? Can you say whether it refers to a function? Can we try that, guys? Does it, guys? I think we started late, right? So since I went over the last class. I'll just extend the session by 10-15 minutes, guys, so we can finish what we wanted to. Go ahead. You get it, guys? Yes, I got some answers. Oh wow, Naman, very nice, Naman. Okay, Indian noted. Okay, because oh nice, Reshta. The reasoning really tells me whether you got it right or not. Srihari, why do you say yes? Srihari, why do you say yes? Can you explain why are you saying yes?
Because none of like, because I think the X can have the same outputs, but if one output like has the same X, it can't be a function, or it might be the other way around.
Srihari, we did last week, right? So one input value cannot have two different outputs.
Oh, okay.
The same input value cannot have two different outputs, so it's not a function. How about this function mapping diagram? Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 4, 5. Is this a function or not? Is this a function or not? Do you get it, guys? I want some explanation. Oh, wow, nice. Shrestha, Naman, I think you guys got it, okay? Pranav, it is a function, Pranav. Yes, Jash.
That was for the other one.
Okay. Krishiv, it is a function, Krishiv. Jeevanashri, it is, yeah, Jeevanashri is correct. Krish, it is a function. Why? Because different inputs, see, different inputs can have the same output. Different inputs can have the same output. Only thing what it should not happen is one day I give 3, let's say it gives 4. The next time it should not give me a 5. Got it? Should always give, if I give 3, if it gave 4, it should give 4 every time. It should not be giving a 5. So, literally when you draw it in a graph, right? Let's say there is 3. That 3, one day cannot show a 4, one day cannot show a 5. You see, that can't happen. Got it? One day 3, one day it can't show a 4, one day it can't show a 5 on the y-axis. That's all. It has to be reliable. Whereas you have uh, you have um, the other way, let's say you have 1, 2, 3. Okay, all the value, meaning 1 is giving you a 3. Okay, 3 is also giving you a 3. This is allowed. This is not allowed. See, it fails the vertical line test. Any questions? Naman, are you with me?
Yeah.
Netra, did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, I said I'll give you the practical scenario, right? I just want that. Okay, are you there? Are you able to? You should be able to mime out the domain and range, reasonable domain and range. Based on the restrictions given, I want it as an inequality. Okay, guys? Please write it as an inequality. Beware of less than or equal to sign, greater than or equal to sign. Okay? Be careful. Come on, guys. You're also going to tell me the type of function as well. You're going to tell me the type of function. A concession stand begins with 300 water bottles. Each sports team purchases exactly 18 bottles. At most 16 teams can make a purchase. Okay, let's see. Everything is given. All possible x values. What is the x here? What is the letter used instead of x here? Anybody can shout out. What is the
G.
what ma?
G.
G. G is the x variable. What is the y or f of x here? Instead of that, what have they used here?
B.
B. B of G. Correct. So this is your y. B is your Y, G is your X. Good job. So they're asking for a reasonable domain and range. What is the domain? What is the range? Yeah, Krisha, the type of function is right. Pranav, very nice. But domain, you have to write it as an inequality, Pranav.
Okay.
Yeah, Srihari. Why can't it be 0? Why can't it be? Domain is what? Domain can be 0. I mean, it can start with 0, right? Srihari, I'm sorry. Don't. That's so confusing. I think you've switched the domain and range, Srihari.
Oh, okay.
Isn't it? I feel like you've switched the domain and range.
Okay, I thought the water bottles were the X. I'll just switch it.
Yeah, number of water bottles is X, correct. But you didn't write it like that, right?
I
Oh, no. No. You have one value you have put from X, one value you have put from Y.
oh
That's the problem. Jashvita. Guys, if you're asked for the domain and range, you should be able to write it as an inequality. Okay. You cannot say all reals. Okay. 7th grade, you said that, that's fine. Okay. All reals, English version, all that won't work. Okay. Here, it begins with 300 water bottles. That is your max value for the output variable. B tells you the number of bottles. G tells you the number of team purchases, right? So G is your input, right? Lowest value of X, highest value of X. What is the lowest value of X? Number of teams. It can be 0 to 16. 0 less than or equal to G, less than or equal to 16. This is your domain. Domain is only the G variable. What is the range? Range is the B variable, right? That means B will go on reducing. They're selling, right? A concession stand. So, what is the highest B value? 300 is less than or equal to. But here, the range can be from, if they sell all the 16, right? What happens? If they sell all of the 16, domain maximum is 16, right? 16 teams get water bottles, right? Each sports team purchases exactly 18 bottles. 16 teams purchase the bottles, right? Each of the team is purchasing how many bottles? 18 bottles, right? So you can plug in values and find out as well. That is as well not hard. So what did you find for the range? You know the lowest value of X was 0, highest value was 16. For the range, why don't you plug in? You have your equation, right? B equal to 300 minus 18G. You found out this was 0. If this was 0, that will be your highest Y value, right? If this was 0, B would be 300. That you wrote it here. Then the highest value of G, when you plug in, you will get the lowest value of the range. What is that? 300 minus 18 times 16. What is 18 times 16? I think it's 288. One of you check approximately. I'm telling. Here this will be 12. So the lowest value would be 12 is less than or equal to B is less than or equal to 300. Who has a question on this? Anybody has a question on this? Naman, Netra, Johan, did you get it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Johan is not here today. Okay, that's good. Jeevanashri, did you get it, ma?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. How about this? Yes, ma.
Sorry, can I make
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yeah, go ahead, ma. Go ahead and come back. Can you do this for me, guys? Yeah, Sreshta, your answer for the last one was correct. I'm just checking. Good job, Pranav. Jeevanashri also got it. Netra got it. Naman, looks like you got it. Okay, nice, guys. But Naman, it's all less than equal to. How do you send less than equal to me? You know, less than equal to, greater than equal to. That's how you send.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Wait, so how do I know when to use less than or equal to?
I told you, right? When the left, meaning lowest point is included, then you have less than equal to. When the lowest point is not included, you use just less than. Lowest point. Huh? You did not understand how to?
No.
Okay, were you listening, Naman?
Yeah, I was.
Yeah, when there is a hole, what did we do? When there is a dot, what did we do in the graph?
You did less than or equal to.
Yeah, when there is a hole, you use
Uh,
less than, right?
yeah, but I'm talking about the last equation. Was that less than or equal
The
to?
last equation, can the number of teams be 12? Can the number of, I'm sorry, can the number of teams be 0 that purchased water bottles? Yes. Can the number of teams be 16 that purchased water bottles? Yes, because at most 16 teams. So 16 can be, G's value can be 16. So 0 is less than or equal to G is less than or equal to 16 is the domain. Similarly, for the range, it would be 12 is less than or equal to G is less than or equal to 300. Why? In the equation given, if you plug in 0, you will have 300 as the value for Y. So Y value can be 300. In the equation, if you plug in the value as 16, then X value is 16, you'll get the Y value as 12. So 12 can be a valid value in that context. So 12 is less than or equal to G is less than or equal to 300. Does that make sense, Naman?
Yeah.
Okay. A candle is initially 14 inches tall. It burns at a constant rate of 0.6 inch per hour. The candle is used for no more than 15 hours. You have to be careful, guys. It glows for no more than 15 hours.
Miss Priya, can I please go to the bathroom?
Yeah, ma'am.
We have to find the domain and range.
Yes.
Okay.
Miss Priya, I think you deleted it.
Srihari, did you understand that you should not interchange the domain and range?
Yeah.
Let me please explain. A candle is initially 14 inches tall. So please understand what are the two quantities that are being related. One is height of candle. The other one is length of length of handle.
It doesn't mean you'll get the part, but
So
if you don't read
this is height of let me put it as length of candle because it's indicated by L, right? So let me put it as a length of candle and then hours, number of hours. Okay. Now that being the case, right? Here the domain is what? Always independent variable is taken as hours. Here independent variable is inside the parenthesis, right? So x value is the number of hours. So no more than 15 hours.
Okay.
So 15 is your max, 0 is your minimum. Okay. Less than or equal to it can be, you need not burn the candle at all. So it can be 0. If it burns, it can burn for at most 15. So this is your domain. Don't interchange that. Range is the length of the candle. Please go ahead and substitute 0. When you substitute 0, your range will be the maximum. Okay. Now, if you substitute 15, you can have a value of 15 that comes to a 9. 14 minus 9 is a 5. So 5 will be your least value for the range. Any questions, guys? Jashvita, did you understand, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, guys. Okay. Now, functions we are trying to grind. Okay, that's what I'm seeing. You know how to find out function, what type of functions you know how to find. Domain and range, you should be good by now. See, the part where you're identifying domain for contextual problem is not really good in the book. So there I'm going to plug in my own assignment, okay? Now, do you know how to graph this function, guys? See whether you can, if I give you equations, you should be able to graph. I want all of you to graph this function in your paper and show it to me on the video. We'll end with that. Okay, you know how to graph y equal to x, correct? What will you do? You'll put a table of input output values. You'll put some negative, some positive values. Do that and then find out y using the equation. Then you'll plug these in the graph, find it. Same here, I want to see how many of you are able to graph this using an input output table. This is your input output. Input can have positive, negative values with zeros. Okay. Done. You can show the graph. If you show the graph, you can leave. If it's correct, you can leave. Otherwise, I'll explain. Take your time. X and Y are the input and output values. Plug in the input, plug in the output.
Wait, Miss Priya, like the line graph with the points, or like the other graph?
What do you mean by that? You're going to plot it in the coordinate plane.
Oh, that, okay.
It's not weird.
Jivanish, is that right? I don't think that's right. Did you plot negative and positive values?
Yeah.
I don't think so. What negative and positive values did you plot? Can I show, or is there anybody who can show the graph? You're just going to plot xy values, put x equal to some values, -2, -1, 0, any value, independent variable, right? Now find out the y value by plugging it into the equation. What will you do? You'll plug in the -2. So what would happen to y? -16. Like that, you find out the values, plot it and show me the graph. You're going to plug this into this. Guys, if you're stuck, you have to let me know and I can help you.
Hey, Miss Priya, how do I send like a picture? Is there like a picture option?
Picture. You can show the picture on the video, Sri Hari.
Okay.
Done, guys?
I'm almost done.
If you want me to show, just let me know in chat. There is nothing wrong. But I just need to know that you did not know and I'll do it on the board.
Okay. Miss Priya, I finished.
Okay.
Okay.
Show me. Show me, guys. You can just show, but if it is right, you can leave.
Miss Priya, how do I send a
Take it
picture?
up, Sri Hari. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. Jivanish, you can log off, ma.
Miss
That's not
Priya,
right, Shrestha. That's not right. Srihari, I want both sides of the graph. I told you clearly that you need to have negative and positive values.
Okay.
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
I made my graph, but it's kind of like not straight.
Sorry, not correct?
My graph isn't like straight.
Shrestha, that's not right, ma. It's not a straight graph, guys. So when you think about it, I'm going to plug in the values. Plug in -1. Naman, did you get it?
Yeah, I'm working on it.
Okay. I'll go ahead and show you guys. Yeah, if you plug in -1, right? It is a -4. If you plug in 0, it becomes 0, so 0. Plug in 1, it's a -4. Plug in 2, 4 times 4, -16. When I want to plot this, -2, -2, comma, -16. 16 is somewhere here. minus 1 is a minus 4, 0 is a 0, 2 is a 4, I'm sorry, 1 is a 4, and then 2 is a minus 16. So the graph is like this. Sreshta, did you understand?
No.
Why? You did not plug in correctly. You did not plug this into the equation correctly. When you substitute.
Miss Priya,
Yeah,
I got the same graph.
you can leave, ma. Sreshta, what did you not get?
Isn't it negative 4x squared?
Yeah. Negative 4 times x square.
Oh,
You got it?
yeah.
Good. Netra, did you get?
Yeah, I understand. I just didn't plug it into the equation correctly.
Oh, no problem. Krishiv, did you get? As long as you understand, I'm fine. Krishiv, did you get?
Yes.
Okay, guys. I'll stop here. Next week will be a break and we'll all see the week after next.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
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 Guys.
Thank you, Miss
Bye.
Priya.
Thank you.
Bye. Guys.